Hello guys, welcome to Photoshop Tutorials. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. The source files are given as a link in the description below. In this tutorial we are gonna learn how to make a quick tone within 2 minutes. Now click on Controller Command, Shift-A. To open Camera Raw, so we have to perform some basic exposure adjustments. The main thing you have to do in Camera Raw is to cut the shadows and decrease the highlights to bring down all the overexposed areas. I'm decreasing the exposure a bit since the skin is exposed. Moving on to HSL adjustments. Here you can find 3 tabs: Hues, Saturation, Luminance. By adjusting the hues, you can see the color changes happening on the subject or in the background. This is done just to pop up the background colors mostly. In saturation you can increase the vibrance of every single color in this picture. By adjusting the luminance, you can darken or lighten the color available in the picture. Moving on to split toning. I'm looking for a kind of bluish red. Adjusting the highlights to blue and shadows to red. Moving on to radial filter. Making a circle around the subject to make the subject look brighter. Okay, this is fine. Moving on to calibration. Let's make the picture look more vibrant. The following settings will make the image vibrant, so you can follow the same. We've come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any doubts you can ask them on the comments section below. Hope this tutorial was useful. Hit on the like button if you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for regular updates.